Our commitment to you is to always deliver a top-rated service without compromising the budget, going above and beyond to surpass our clients' expectations. Check out this amazing ongoing restoration in this beautiful home in Brooklyn, New York. We believe that innovation and quality service is the key to keep striving in the stone restoration business. No matter where you are, no matter how big or small the job is, no matter the budget, we'll be there to deliver the utmost quality stone restoration project to all our clients. No wonder we're becoming New York's top choice when it comes to stone restoration and cleaning services. Need your home or business professionally painted? Don't worry about hiring a second contractor to handle painting. We at the Stone Guys New York also provide painting services for interiors and exteriors. As a matter of fact, call us for any stone, metal, or painting services, and we guarantee the lowest rates in New York City. Unlike most restoration companies in New York City, you can count on us to be there 24/7. We understand that not all clients can have their work done during business hours. This is why we have around-the-clock services, with crews for the day and night time, ready to be dispatched at no extra cost. Call us today at 888-786-6369 and be prepared to experience the best stone restoration service in town. The Stone Guys New York. You'll be amazed what we can do for your stones.